It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, engine auto stop start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, smartphone wireless charging, and turbo V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard in driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.